Hello everyone, just want to do a really quick GME shareholder update today. Today is July 20th. Stock price moved up about 10%, back to close the day around 190, 192, somewhere in that range. It was a big day, especially if you've been holding a while, you've been enduring some pain, that's for sure. I know I have. First of all, not a financial advisor, of course, simply my thoughts and opinions in this video. But just really want to look at one simple factor. If you look at the volume today, despite all the price action, finally, for those who have been waiting, 3 million, still under 3 million in volume today. We haven't seen significant volume in a long time at this point. Having said this, to see this kind of upwards price action, we've seen this amount of downwards price action on limited volume, but we haven't seen strong upwards price action on limited volume. To me, that's a really good sign that we're heading in the right direction. Dare I say MOAS, potentially. We've seen some Ryan Cohen hints on Twitter. You can examine those from yourself, create your own thoughts and opinions about Ryan Cohen's Twitter. Definitely some interesting stuff on there. But I think July 16th options, look into that a little bit. Some of the failure to delivers that might be coming with the July 16th option situation. The 150,000 plus 50-cent puts that expired. Yeah. I don't know. A lot of interesting things are probably coming. Let's also not forget that when they last issued shares, they issued shares to take the float from approximately 65 million to 70 million, and those shares were issued at an average price of $225 per share. Gamestop hasn't traded over $225 in weeks. So, to kind of put it in perspective, if 5 million people were willing to buy up at that price, kind of makes you wonder how the stock price, again, just thoughts and speculations, how the stock price would drop so significantly right before July 16th options expiry. Certainly interesting. Nothing can be confirmed, but now we see a lot of price action on the upside with very little volume still. I'm just sitting here thinking, if there's a lot of failure to delivers in the millions of shares, we're finally going to get a volume spike. If we get a volume spike, based on the way the stock's been trading recently, volume spike could do wonders. Look what happened in the past when there were massive volume spikes in January and March. And when we started to get a little bit of volume in June, it never really got there. The volume never went back to where it was in March or January. So look how much we went up in June. We retested like the 340 level despite limited volume. A lot of interesting stuff going on with GME right now. Still not a lot of news out of the company and what they're doing, but that's kind of how Ryan Cohen has historically been. You don't say too much, kind of create an under expectation and then outperform, rather than over expecting and underachieving, so to speak. So I believe in Ryan Cohen. The company has $1 billion in cash on their balance sheet. They just acquired 2 massive Amazon-sized distribution centers. They're working on crypto. They're working on their ERC20 token. There's a lot of interesting things coming. They're building their online community. They have cash to make acquisitions. There's a lot of things this company can do, and they're in a really good spot. In the shorts, whom, again, I'm not a financial advisor, simply my thoughts and opinions, I don't think the short's covered. Do not think the short's covered, and I think that still creates a significant opportunity for the stock, and there's still significant upside from the current share price of 190 something. Again, not a financial advisor. Thank you for listening till the end. If you appreciate, please like and subscribe. It'd be much appreciated. Have a nice day.